Hello, another upgrade for the CFmoto Cforce 1000. I have bought this winch remote control. I did buy it from the AliExpress. I will add a link in the description from who I bought it. So it seems pretty much easy. There is a antenna wire, negative lead, positive lead, and two command leads in and out. Remote controls are pretty much straightforward, out and in, and a power switch. So my plan is to attach the remote control box to the original button, this in and out. I'm just going to splice up these control wires and add the control boxes wires. I don't know if there is a power line, positive and negative. If there isn't, I have over here wireless charger, which do have the positive and negative wire, so then I can just use these wires, splice them, and attach to the control box. So let's try to do it. This one is a switch for the heated grips. Okay, there is a three wires. One is out, one is in, and one is power. Alright, so now I have made my mind up. I will do it a bit differently. As there is a plus wire, I don't need to splice up these wires. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be using as a plus this wire, red one, which is a plus, and negative. I will just take from the frame, so we'll attach it to here. These two wires, green and black, are the control wires. Black is out, green is in. Let's then try and make it. Now I'm going to be attaching the wires. So from the controller box, red one goes to the red one, because that's the positive one. Yellow one from the controller will go to the black. Black is the out. White one from the controller box will go to the green, which is in. Black one from the controller box I will add over here. For now I will just put it like this, and I want to test it out first. Okay, now let's just test it out. Remote control on. So, okay, let's test it out. Let's hope everything works. So, out. Hey, in. Well, good job. Okay, let's test out the original button so nothing is damaged. In, out, everything works. Okay, so now I just need to tidy it up. I will solder these connections, and I will just add the electrical tape, just so everything is fine there. Alright, this seems to be everything okay here. Now I'm just planning to put everything back. This control box, I will attach it over here to my phone holder. I will just use some double-sided tape, and it will stay here. Antenna will be just around somewhere here, so everything should be fine and should be looking good too. This is how it looks now. Let's test it out one more time. Out. works, in works, out works, in works. Now I just need to figure out where I will store this remote control. As it has this big clip over here, I could just put it on a throttle cable. It stays here. It is a bit floppy, but I don't know. I will figure it out where to store it. If you have some questions, leave them in a comment section. Subscribe and like for more videos.